Good morning, dear students. My name is Ferhan Mazher, and today is 8th of October 2021. The day is Friday. Right now, I am with the 9th Cambridge class, and the subject we are studying is D Maths 4024. We are working on the course, and we are studying the D3, the book D3, New Syllabus Mathematics 3. And we are on its chapter number 6, and today we have set our hearts to solve its review exercise of the chapter number 6. And in this session, in this video, we will be working on question number 12, question number 13, and question number 14, which are the last 3 questions of the review exercise. So let's start, and here we go. We are talking about the question number 12. So the question number 12 is coming up on your screen. Let me read it from the book. It says, a spring is suspended freely. When a mass of 20 grams is attached to the spring, it has a length of 12 centimeter. When a mass of 50 grams is attached to the spring, it has a length of 15 centimeter. The graph below shows how the length y centimeter of the spring varies with the mass x gram attached to it. So this graph is shown there. So this is on the x-axis the load, on the y-axis we have the length. So find an expression for the y in terms of x. So these 2 points are given on that graph. So I will use these points. I will first of all find the gradient. You know the formula for the gradient is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So we will use these points. So we have 15 minus 12 divided by 50 minus 20. So it will be 3 divided by 30. So 1 by 10. So the gradient of this line is 1 by 10. Okay, so now I will find the equation of that line, the graph, y minus y1 equals to m bracket x minus x1. That's the formula we use to find out the equation of a line. So I know that this line's gradient is 1 by 10, and I can use the point 20 comma 12. I will use this point and the gradient, and I will use this equation to find the equation of the line. So y minus 12, y1 is 12 equals to m is 1 by 10, x minus x1 is 20. So I will bring this 10 to this side. So 10y minus 120 equals to x minus 20, 10y minus 120, take it to the other side. It will become plus 120. So you have 10y equals to x plus 100. So y will be equals to x by 10 plus 100 by 10. This 10 goes under both of the terms on the right side. So y is equal to 1 by 10x plus 10. So if you want to find out the, so this is the equation of that line, and that was the question. In the first part, he says find an expression for y in terms of x. So this is the meaning is that find the equation of this line. The second part is state what is the value of the y-intercept represents. The y-intercept means that when this line cuts the y-axis, what does this point represent? Here the load is 0. So the y-intercept represents the length of the spring when the load is 0. Length of the spring when the load is 0. So my dear student, this is question number 12. We are done with the question number 12. So we are going to the next question. Question number 13. Find the equation of the passing of the line passing through the point 10 by 11, 3 by 11, and perpendicular to the line 3x plus 5y equals to 13. So you see, I want to find out the equation of this line number 2. I've drawn this diagrams so you can understand this thing. So line number 2 is passing through this 10 by 11, 3 by 11, and is perpendicular to this line number 1, whose equation is given. So line number 1 is 3x plus 5y equals to 13. I will make its y the subject of the formula. So 5y will be equals to minus 3x plus 13. Y will be equals to minus 3 by 5x plus 13 by 5. So the coefficient of the gradient, the coefficient of the x here is minus 3 by 5. So the slope of this line number 1 is minus 3 by 5. Now, and the line number 2 is perpendicular to this line. So the gradient of the line number 2 will be the reciprocal of this, and you will change its sign. Reciprocal of this, and you change its sign. So the gradient of the line number 2, which is perpendicular to the line number 1, will be 5/3. And because it's negative, that will be positive. You change the sign. So now I know the gradient of the line number 2, and I know the one point through which this line is passing. So I want to find out the equation. So the formula is y minus y1 equals to m bracket x minus x1. Y1 is 3/11, x1 is 10/11, m is 5/3. So I took LCM on this side. So 11y minus 3/11 and 5/3. I took LCM inside here, 11x minus 10 divided by 11. This 11 and this 11 will be cancelled. Bring this 3 to this side. So you have 3 bracket 11, y minus 3 bracket close equals to 5 bracket 11x minus 10. So you have 33y minus 9 equals to 55x minus 50. So 33y equals to 55x minus 41. So y will be equals to 55x divided by 33 minus 41 by 30. Here we wrote 31 by chance, it's 33. So y is equals to 5/3x minus 41 by, this number is 33, 41/33. Okay, this is a mistake, 41/33. So this will be the equation of that line. Okay, so we are on the question number 14. He says find the equation of the line passing through the point 2, 2 and parallel to the line y is equals to 2x minus 13. So here we have a line number 1, which is 2x minus 13. I can find the gradient of this line, y is equal to 2x minus 13, y is alone. So the coefficient of the x is the gradient of this line. So m is equal to 2. Line number 2 is parallel to this line. So its gradient will be also 2. It's passing through the 2, 3. So I can find the equation of this line. The formula is y minus y1 equals to m bracket x minus x1. X1 and y1 is this point. So you see y1 is 3, x1 is 2, m is 2. Just put these values. You will have y minus 3 equals to 2x minus 4, y is equals to 2x minus 4 plus 3. So y is equals to 2x minus 1. So this is the equation of the line number 2. So by this question, the review exercise is completed, and I hope that you have understood this question and the review exercise. So my dear students, thank you very much, and have a good day, and God bless you all.